Welcome aboard. Today we're setting off on an unforgettable journey to Nusa Penida, where you'll experience crystal clear waters, vibrant corals, and majestic manta rays. Before we go on adventure, let's get over some safety rules and snorkeling equipments. Okay, this is going to be your life jacket for a whole day trip. And first of all, open the zip and the straps first. Put the life jacket on like this. Make sure it's comfortable and don't forget to zip it like this. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Make it as comfortable as possible. While the boat is in motion, make sure always hold onto the handrails like this. Always follow crew captains and guides instructions. They are here to make your journey safe and comfortable. And don't hesitate, if you need something, you can ask them or your tour guides. This is going to be your snorkeling gear for the whole day trip with us. First of all, put your mask on like this. And make sure the strap is on this position. Not too high or too low like this. Just make sure in the middle. Okay, and make sure no hair, because the water can leak if your hair like this. And then how to use snorkel? First of all, you have to a, I, u. A, u, u. Okay, and then we have dry snorkel here, which is when the water comes in, it blocks. So what you need to do is just blow it like this, so the water can remove from your snorkel. While you're snorkeling, sometimes your mask is foggy. When it happens, you can ask your tour guide to get the anti-fog. This is going to be your fin for the whole day trip. And first of all, you gotta loosen the strap first, like this, on both sides. And after that, put your fin on your feet, like this, and pull it. Just make sure it's comfortable. To ensure your snorkeling adventure is safe, swim in a group and follow your tour guides. If you need help, raise your hand and the crew will assist you right away. Be mindful of marine life. Do not touch the animal or feed the fish. And remember, do not step on the corals. They are fragile and need protection. Stay afloat and enjoy the underwater world. You've probably heard about the magnificent manta rays and can't wait to see them, right? We want to make your journey as enjoyable as possible. So, here are some important details. Manta Point will take approximately 50 minutes. And please note that the wave condition at Manta Point can be unpredictable and are usually quite strong. However, this is the best spot to observe mantas in their natural habitat. We recommend having breakfast few hours before the trip, or you can enjoy coffee and croissant at our cafe. It's a perfect way to start your day. Please no party before the tour. It can lead you to a rough day and experience. You will get even the seasickness even worse. Definitely not the way you want it to feel underwater. Instead, save for the fun later. You can have wines, cocktails, beers, and everything you need before your tour on our shop. If you know that you're prone to seasickness, we strongly recommend this seasickness medication, and please ensure that you're not allergic to this one. And also, our tour guides will provide this seasickness pill right before your departure. We provide everything you need for the tour: towels, snorkeling gear, GoPro, lunch, all entrance tickets, and mineral water. Here's what to bring for your perfect tour experience: sunscreen, swimwear, hats and sunglasses, cash for souvenirs, and your positive energy. Just keep in mind that from your return, online taxis are not allowed by the local government. You'll need to use the local taxi, which can be more expensive. To make it everything easier, we strongly recommend to book our transportation in advance. Just sit back and relax. Now, you're ready for an unforgettable journey where you can explore, swim, the underwater world, and create the memories will last a lifetime. We wish you a wonderful journey with us. Have a good day.